Hello again, it's Glenn Walford here from Franchise Buyer, and I'm sitting here at the Sydney Franchising Business Opportunities Expo with Neil McMillan of Fifo Capital. Neil, how you doing?
I'm good, thanks, Glenn. How are you?
I'm very well, thanks, mate. We've spoken quite a lot over the years, and we've done plenty of things together as far as helping Fifo grow and so on. What's new in Fifo Capital? There's plenty happening, I gather.
Yeah, things are going great, Glenn. And this year, I think we're going to hit the $200 million barrier in terms of turnover. And we now want to take the business to the next level. So previously, franchisees would have to use their own money to lend out to clients. And so now we're making it even easier for people to join FIFO, and they can now use funds that FIFO sourced, so they don't have to use or even risk their own money. They can use funds that we've sourced.
So Fifo Capital, just to recap, Fifo Capital does what as far as using those funds for franchisees? What's the business model again?
Yeah, look, we do small business finance. There's two main products. One of them is invoice finance, and the other one is just straightforward business loans.
Yep. Okay. So you've actually gone out and sourced the funding so franchisees don't have to come into it with all their own money to then lend out to other people, correct?
That's exactly right, yeah. So franchisees can still use their own money, or they can use some of ours and some of theirs, or they can use all of ours. Obviously the returns will be better if they use their own money, but yes. It's up to people. Have now got choices where they didn't have before.
Okay. And as far as the I'm seeing, and we even did a cover story on it most recently with you involved in it, the fragmentation of lending and unsecured lending to the small business market. What are you seeing broadly happening in the marketplace at the moment?
Yeah, look, it's very easy for businesses to borrow at the moment, and I think there's a lot of reckless lending going on. But look, Fifo Capital, we're sticking to the traditional principles of lending. If we don't think you can afford to borrow, we're not going to lend you the money, and I think that's just responsible lending.
Okay. And if people want to know more about Fifo Capital, where do they go?
They can go to our website, www.fifocapital.com.au, or they can give me a call, 0417 525 575.
Glad you remembered. Okay, Neil, thanks for joining us again on Franchise Buyer.
Cheers, Glenn. Thanks.
That's Glenn again from franchisebuyer.com.au, and we'll catch you again soon.